Well, the Tippecanoe County Jail is now reporting nearly 15 new COVID-19 cases today. That brings the total to 34 inmates currently positive with the virus. News 18's Micah Upshaw is live with an update from the county sheriff. Micah, what's he saying?
I spoke with Sheriff Bob Goldsmith this afternoon, and he says while the bad news is COVID-19 has made its way into the jail, the good news is about half of those inmates, that's 17 inmates, have been in isolation for about 2 weeks, and he's hoping come this Monday that they will test negative for COVID-19.
We don't want to pick and say, well, this person's incarcerated, so we don't care if they get sick. And they're human beings, and we treat them as such.
The jail is finding 14 more inmates have tested positive for COVID-19 since the beginning of the week. Sheriff Bob Goldsmith is seeking solutions.
Right now it's isolation, and we will continue testing when they have symptoms. The type of tests we have right now don't work unless they have symptoms.
In addition to this issue, Sheriff Goldsmith says there isn't enough resources to test all 460 inmates. With cases rising, the jail is also facing the challenge of being able to isolate everyone.
Because of classification, the crimes that they're accused of, you can't stick certain groups of people with others. So it isn't a matter of, hey, you have COVID, now all of a sudden we can put these individuals together. We still have to maintain that. We can't do that.
As the COVID-19 quarantine period is set to end on Monday for 17 inmates, Sheriff Goldsmith is looking forward to case numbers decreasing and getting the jail COVID-free again like it's been for the past 9 months.
Our number one priority is the safety and security of our jail, and that's inmates and staff. We did a good job as a team getting out in front of this early on. People working from home in shifts when they can, and I think that helped keep the distancing.
Sheriff Goldsmith is happy to report that none of the inmates so far have needed hospitalization. He says most of them are showing either no symptoms or mild symptoms. I am reporting live in Tippecanoe County. Micah Upshaw, News 18.
A second federal inmate set to be executed has tested positive for COVID-19. The diagnosis of